Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring widgets are available and tied to your Microsoft account. This allows syncing and personalized feed items. Once ready, open widgets from the taskbar or press Windows key plus W to reveal the panel. You're now at the widget canvas. Dock attention to the three-dot menu and the Add Widgets button. Click Add to begin selecting. This first step lets you choose types so you can tailor which information appears without cluttering your desktop. You'll now add and shape widgets to fit your workflow. From the Add Widgets panel, pick weather, calendar, stock, or third-party tools. Once added, drag each card to reorder the canvas. Make sure to resize using the widget corners to change density, compact for minimal space, large for glanceable data. Also open a widget settings to select specific accounts, locations, or feed preferences. Customizing ensures updates are relevant and conserves system resources by reducing update frequency. To finish, review your layout and remove any redundant items by clicking the three-dot menu on a widget and choosing Remove. Once done, widgets persist per account and sync across signed-in devices. Make sure to sign in everywhere you want consistency. If content doesn't load, check for Windows updates and then restart the Windows Web Experience host process in Task Manager. This often fixes frozen widgets. Finally, clear cache or re-add a problematic widget if issues continue. This resets the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.